In this lesson, we will introduce the page of number 1 main diesel generator. This is the page of number 1 main diesel generator. The middle section shows the diesel engine. The diesel engine has 6 cylinders, is 4-stroke, upright, in single acting, direct injection, water-cooled, exhaust gas turbocharged diesel engine. Rated power is 1,300 kilowatts. Rated speed is 900 revolutions per minute. The diesel engine has a stop handle on top. This is represented by a knob. Emergency shutdown of diesel generators is possible here. Under normal circumstances, this knob should be hit at run. If it hit at stop, the rack of the high-pressure pump will be limited to 0. The diesel engine won't start. The upper left corner, the exhaust gas temperature bar chart of each cylinder of the diesel engine. The temperature chart has 2 display modes. The first display mode is to directly display the exhaust gas temperature of the cylinder. The second display mode shows the deviation of cylinder exhaust temperature. In the middle are 5 meters. Display diesel generator high and low temperature freshwater pressure, engine speed, scavenging air pressure, and lubricating oil pressure, respectively. The upper right corner is a cylinder cooling water outlet temperature bar. The lower left corner is a local control box. The lower part is a pre-lubricating oil pump control panel. The upper part is a start and stop control panel of the diesel engine. The pre-lubricating oil pump is powered by 440-volt alternating current. Its power supply switch is locally assembled on the 3S group starter panel. That is, the power supply switch of ID45 page. The pre-lubricating oil pump can be started and stopped in the control box beside the machine. Before the diesel generator starts, the diesel engine needs to be pre-lubricated by starting the pre-lubricating oil pump. The pre-lubricating oil pump will stop automatically when the diesel engine starts. At this point, the diesel engine is lubricated by lubricating oil pump. There is a mode selector switch on the right side of the control panel. When selecting the local mode, you can start and stop the diesel engine on this panel. When selecting remote and auto mode, in either number 1 diesel generator panel or synchro panel, you can start and stop the diesel engine. This is the lamp test button. These 2 are the start and stop buttons of the diesel engine. This is the emergency stop button. These 2 indicators indicate whether the control mode of the diesel engine is local or remote. This indicator indicates whether the diesel engine is ready to start. When the diesel engine's pre-lubricating oil pump has been started, fuel supply is normal and the starting air pressure is sufficient, etc. All standby conditions are met. The light will come on. Indicate the diesel engine is ready, which means the diesel engine is ready to start at any time. The lower right corner is the engine control and safety unit. This is the power supply switch. This is a lamp test button. The 2 indicators are DC and AC power indicator. This is a diesel engine control and safety power indicator. These 2 indicators are diesel control mode indicators. This corresponds to the position of the mode selector switch. These indicators are the status indicators of the diesel engine, which are diesel engine ready to start, running, starting failure, and emergency stop state. These are the engine safety shutdown alarm lights. It shows whether the diesel engine failed to stop due to overspeed or lubricating oil low pressure or too high temperature freshwater temperature. These are shutdown system failure lights. Respectively is a diesel engine stop magnetic valve fault, tachometer fault, failure of lubricating oil inlet pressure sensor, failure of high temperature freshwater temperature sensor. There are also various colored pipes in this page. The brown one is the heavy fuel oil pipeline. In orange is a diesel oil pipeline. The gray is a compressed air pipeline. The yellow one is a lubricating oil pipeline. The blue is the low-temperature freshwater pipeline. The light blue is a high-temperature freshwater pipeline. The pink one is a jacket water preheating pipeline. This is the introduction of number 1 main diesel generator page.